by the first futuristic technical brand Manaka.
Thank
Please tell us about it. How did you ideate, how did you plan to initiate this brand, and what's different?
Thank you so much all for coming, guys. So I had got Sheen.in to India in 2016. I was the brand partner at that time. After it got shut in 2020, I went into depression and I thought I should be doing something on my own. I should give India a future. So we thought of getting Manaka.in. Manaka.in is a very futuristic and a technical clothing brand and accessories in it. So when you say clothing and accessories, it's not only streetwear. We have technical tees, we have technical hoodies to pants with a lot of technicalities. And when you talk about accessories, we have these watches. These watches are something which is never launched in India. I've designed it on my own. These sunglasses and a lot of things like iced accessory, jewelries and everything under one roof. It's an umbrella all under one roof. So we have got almost 800 plus SKUs in Manaka.in. The website is live. It's a very technical and a futuristic website. The store is here at Linking Road next to Bata opposite KFC. Why we took this location is the entire world. If you talk to anyone in Spain or in Europe, people will come in here and they will talk about Linking Road and Colaba. So we are coming up with a store in Linking Road and somewhere in town which is also planned. We'll have almost 100 plus stores. This is the first store of Manaka.in and we all are very happy that everyone, there are almost 100 plus influencers who have come, who are invited, all have given their blessings to us. We are very happy that everyone is supporting us in this venture. Manaka.in, kudos to the entire team of Manaka. So Manaka is a flower in Brazil. Manaka is a flower in Brazil which actually is given to propose someone. So we proposed Manaka to the entire India that everyone should be wearing Manaka and everyone should be loving the brand because we are very different than the rest. So basically Gen Zs are the future and Manaka is the future for Gen Zs. What is it? We have got things which are very different than the rest. Streetwear has hit the market and we have captured the market. We have done a lot of pop-ups. We are aligned with the Gen Zs. People from the age of 14 to 40 all can wear it. We have basics to technical to everything under our roof, which has almost 350 SKUs in t-shirts. We have sunglasses which are very futuristic. We have watches which are very futuristic. We have ice jewelry which are over the top. And for Gen Zs, we are introducing EV bikes in July 2025. So all the EVs and everything we'll have an entire complete set of future, and we would be giving a gift to India. That's what Manaka is for. So pricing, we have kept it very competitive because we want everyone in India to wear the brand. Whether it is tier 1 to tier 2 to tier 3 cities, we want everyone to wear the brand. So when you say pricing, we start from 999 for clothing, for accessories starts at 399, and we start from 999 for clothing and we end at 3990, which is very affordable. The clothing, the quality is 240 plus GSM. We go above 400 GSM too for the hoodies and this thing. T-shirts are around 300 GSM because it gives a very bulkier look to everyone in the Gen Z culture. So we are focusing on the youth, we are focusing on culture so that everyone can be aligned for it.
What is the message that you like to give out to the audience as a fashion enthusiast?
I would want everyone to come have a look at the brand. Manaka.in is on the we have a website. We for Mumbai or for people traveling to Linking Road, they should have a look at the brand in Linking Road, Bandra West. We have a very futuristic and a experimental store which is not AI, which is Manaka, the designer who has made it. The entire store, design construct, curated the entire store for us. Misbah Kapadia was the designer. We took 6 months to actually curate the entire store. We are doing each and every bit for the future. We would want people to come have a look at the quality of the products. We want to look each and every streetwear and the accessories, and we would want people to buy our product and experience Manaka. Thank you so much. Thank you guys.